Hi, in this method you're going to learn how to multiply two numbers using Chinese method. Now in Chinese method or lattice method, what we do is we split every number into two parts. So every digit is split up into, every product is split up into its units and tens. So if I've got 154, I need to put it down 154, and every number is going to have a square, right? So let me draw a rectangle first. Now that is my rectangle. Now because I've got three numbers there, okay, so I'm going to split it up in three parts. Okay, so I've got a part here, a part there. Now what I can do is I can write down here my numbers are going to go like they are. 1, okay, it's going to go so I've got number 1 there, 1 here, I've got 5 here, and I've got 4 here, and I'm multiplying that by 5, so I put 5 here. Now each part, each square is going to split up diagonally. Okay, now why we do that is we have got unit and 10 here. Likewise, that's going to give you unit and 10 and unit and 10 here. Okay, and that's it. All you do is you times numbers. Okay, 5 times 4, what we get from 5 times 4 is 20, so you put 10 there and unit here. Okay, so in 20, if I put 2 here and 0 here, and then 5 times 5 is 25, I put 2 there and 5 here, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now I have to put, because I do not have any 10, so I put 0 there and I get 5, so 5 here. All you got to do now is you need to add the contents of each diagonal. So I've got 0 here. Okay, 2 add 5 makes 7, and 2 add 5 makes 7. Now that 0 is on its own, so my answer for this question is 770. Okay, now this when I times two-digit number by two-digit number, it's going to be slightly different. When you draw a grid, it's going to be more squarish, right? So I've got that. So what I do is, because I've got two numbers, so I get a line here and then I get a line here, right? So that's more like squarish. So then I split it up. So when I split them up in diagonals, I got to draw diagonals that way. Now that is going to go all the way through, and then I get a diagonal here, right? All I need to do now is I need to write numbers down. Order doesn't make difference. Okay, you write number 25 here and number 34 here, right? All I'm doing now is I'm multiplying 4 by 5. I will put my result here. So 4 times 5 is 20, 3 times 5 is 15. Now 3 times 2 is 6, which should be written down as 06, and 4 times 2 is 8, which is my 08. Now I need to add numbers up diagonally, so that is only 0. 5 add 2 is 7, add 8 is 15, so I'm carrying 1. So 1 is going to be added to these. So 1 add 6 is 7, add 1 is 8. So there's nothing in here, so the answer for that question is 850. Okay, now let's try another one. 234 times 43. So if I put 234, so I need to put a rectangular part. Okay, so because I got to put 234 there, so I split it up in three parts there first. Okay, and then I split it up that way. Now let's draw diagonals. Now I will have to say that once you start drawing these squares right and diagonals right, this method is fairly quick in terms of working out questions, because you are not going in any bigger numbers. Okay, so what I do now is I will write down 234 and I'm going to multiply that by 43. Okay, so let's do that. 4 times 4 is 16 and 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 3 is 9, so it's 0, 9. 4 times 2 is 8, so it's 0, 8, and 3 times 2 is 0, 6. Just add them up now, so that's 2. 6 add 1 is 7, 7 add 6 is 7 add 9 is 16, so I'm carrying 1. 1 add 2 is 3, add 6 is 9, add 1 is 10, and I carry 1. 1 add 8 is 9, add 1 is 10, so put 0 here and I carry 1. 0 add 1 is 1. So I need to put these numbers together, so it's 1, 0, 0, 6, 2. So in other words, it's 10,062. Okay, that's the answer for this question. You need to try these questions for me using that. Okay, good luck with these, right? Okay, thank you for watching.